Hello kids, today we will see the use of a or an. There are 26 letters in English. In English, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and the remaining are consonants. Cat. The word cat has a consonant sound, so we use here A. A cat. Parrot. The word parrot has a consonant sound, so what we have to use? A parrot. Duck. The word duck has a consonant sound, so what we have to use here? A duck. Banana. The word banana has also a consonant sound, so what should we use here? A banana. Apple. It has a vowel sound, so we use here an apple. Ice cream. The word ice cream begins with vowel sound, so what should we use here? An ice cream. Umbrella. The word umbrella begins with vowel sound, so what should we use here? An umbrella. Orange. It begins with vowel sound, so which article we use here? An orange.
Thank you for watching. I like and subscribe. Bye.